spin it for me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. We have made the trip to Randy's. Have you panned already over there, Jess?
Panned already.
You've panned already. We made the trip to Randy's Wing Bar. Doing a bit of research online last night and it looks incredible. Jess, you even found out that they won an award.
Yeah, apparently they're Europe's top wing.
Big claims, bold claims. But anyway, menu, I've pinched the menu from side there. We'll be returning it, Randy. Sorry about that, mate. Looks like a powerhouse chicken lovers menu. But before we crack on, we've got a sponsor for today's video. Logo down there, Aftermarket Arbitrage. Welcome back to the page. Now, news alert, the price has got up. It's £30 a month, or you can use my code FRC5 and get yourself £5 off. £30 investment in yourself, starting your own business, reselling, to me is a no-brainer. I'm gonna leave a link in the comments below. Go and check them out. Go and have a look at their Instagram if you want to know more. Now, let's crack on with the food. Randy's. First impressions, what a location. Can't have do a little
A pan?
It's a little pan, like. Is this Stratford, my love?
This is the Queen...
Yeah, the Queen Elizabeth Park.
Yeah, Olympic Park.
Obviously fairly empty right now, obvious reasons, but it looks sensational. Amazing buildings, and I've got a string of wicked little food places here. Outside, sitting outside the Breakfast Club here now, by the way. Heard good things about that, but let's not get distracted by...
Bacon.
I've heard good things about that though. Please get in the comments if you've been to the Breakfast Club, let me know. So, our order. They've got the most ridiculous menu of chicken goodies.
Smells.
Yeah, so I've gone for 2 types of wing, loaded fries and a burger. Gone for the Casablanca wing. Let's just get it all out, shall we? Let's reveal the goodies. Oh my God. Look at them. That's our Parmesan and garlic wing. They look great, don't they? Oh, the Casablanca.
Oh, they smell so
Oi, look at that. Look at the attention to detail in that. Oh my God. Wow. And how is this even a job? Like, we're the luckiest people in the world. And there we've got some dirty, loaded fries and our burger. We'll reveal that afterwards. So, let's have a look at these, Jessica. Casablanca wing here. That's harissa infused, slow cooked, grilled with sumac onions, honey, pomegranate seeds, and mint dressing. No outer coating on that.
Oh.
Big thing for me, something different. Not had that on the page before. Let's dive into our wings and see how we get on, shall we? Ooh. Here we go. Look at this. Oi, 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 oi. There you go, Jess. What do you think? Randy's.
Give it a little spin.
Sort of spin.
You can move your hand, not your whole body. That's it, that's what I want to see.
Food lovers, what do you think? Let's dive into this. Holy shit. Incredible. So, what's going on in my mouth right now? I've got a bit of spice, a bit of heat. Let's cut through by that minty freshness with a little flavour explosion of pomegranate. Oh my God. What a wing. I'll have another one. Look at them. Look at that. That minty glaze. Honey sweet. That is an absolute barnstormer. Wow. The next one I had to try was this one. This is the garlic parmesan, buttermilk fried chicken with the garlic butter sauce, parmesan and thyme. Like,
Look at the size of it.
yeah. Guys, please get in the comments. Have you been to Randy's before? Excuse the wind, by the way. Get in the comments. Let me know. Oh. You got it on my face.
You're right.
That's like heaven and hell. Like, that's like a sort of war.
It smells so good.
I'm coming to the flavours. I'm coming to the flavours. There's like a... Okay. I understand where I'm at now. The garlic has got a really creamy flavour to it. The parmesan adds that sharp edge to the flavour as well. Together they harmonise with the most amazing buttermilk. Just a little twizzle, yeah? Buttermilk outer coating. Right, look at this one. The next thing you want to talk about is the actual sheer size of these wings. Genuinely, I've had smaller drumsticks. Absolutely amazing. Wasn't sure what to expect today. That's... What do you think, Jess? I've got a fork in there. Yes. Here you go. Okay, cool. So let's get on with the loaded fries. Which one are these, Jess?
The Loco fries.
These are Loco fries. Fiery sriracha, hot sauce, sweet toasted corn, truffle vegan aioli with pink pickled onions. Presentation's on fire. Now, I hope you guys don't mind. We've did a little, excuse me, little video about coming to these places, the elite players in the game. There's enough negativity in the world right now without me going around bashing people that probably don't deserve it. So I hope you guys are happy with this. We're out trying to find the kingpins. We're headhunting at the moment. Do you know what? I kind of like it. It means we get to eat some amazing food. Right, fry time.
They're quite big fries, aren't they? Like big chips.
Big, chunky fries. Oh my God, the corn gives you a little like a semi-explosion. These are the sort of fries that would make you have trouser accidents. This is trouser accident central. Randy's, obviously, have got their head in the flavour game. This is just like a sweet song of amazing textures, flavours. The chips are great, crunchy from the outside, fluff in the middle. Have you ever seen someone get so excited about a portion of chips? I'm so passionate about what we do. And last but not least, I've got Randy's signature chicken burger. So far, so good, by the way. The chips are... I want another one. I'm just looking at it, I need to have it. So far, so good. Garlic parmesan wings are probably, in a weird way, one of my favourites. That's like quite a unique, creamy, garlicky flavour. Feel like you're in a really safe place with those. These just feel like a new kid on the block. Casablanca wings. Woo! Here we go. Here's the big reveal.
Oh.
So this is Randy's signature chicken burger. Wow. Should we cut to a bit of food porn? You filming?
Yeah.
So, I've got some spicy seasoned batter, some southwestern sauce, marinated fried chicken thighs. To be fair, it could be frying anything in there right now. It looks the part. Look at this shiny bun on top. This is the standard, guys. Whoa, oh no, lost the wrapper. This is the standard. Man, let's go dive in. Are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Are you excited? Are you excited at home, guys? Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Holy smokes. The batter has got this most insane texture, crunchy. You hear that? The bun is falling apart a little bit. Not great. Most insane. Go on.
It has been wrapped for
Yeah, it has, yeah.
10 minutes though.
On the bite. That is it's really windy.
It is. I'm freezing.
That is breathtaking. Oh my god. Randy's wing bar. Someone turn off this wind for a second. Right, I want to try. I want to say it. That's probably, for size, texture and flavour, one of the best standalone chicken burgers I've ever had. That's like up there with Chicken George. Like, that is properly amazing. That is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. How much is all this, Jess?
Oh yeah, we haven't even talked about price. I think the wings are £9 each. Oh, hang on, I've got my receipt.
Wings, big portion, £9 each. Hang on, Jess. Does this mean we paid? Here we go. Randy's. In total, £35.50. Ting, £2.50. What? Drink watch. Here we go. Let me just have a sip of that.
That's 30p in Tesco.
50, I think.
Oh, I think.
You know what? We are in London, I suppose. Ting. The goat. Right. Casablanca wings, £9. Garlic and parmesan, £9. Signature burger, £10. Should be 50. Loco fries, £5. Grand total of £35.50 for that. That's bang on stuff. The Casablanca wings, sensational. The garlic and parmesan, we're going to order a bucket of them right now. Chicken burger, sensational. The chips, brilliant. I don't know if this is a big chain or not. Is it, Jess?
I think
there are a few of them.
I think there might only be one or two.
Okay, cool.
In London.
I'm going to hedge my bets and say that's one of the best chicken burgers I've ever had. I'm going to give this a surprisingly big score today. I wasn't expecting to do this, but I am going to do it. The wings, just great. Super, super, super. Chicken burger, elite. That was one of the best. We didn't tell we were coming, completely off the cuff. That is elite. Chips, bang on. Flavour Town is here, and I have had a trouser accident. I'm going to give that a massive 9.3. Big score. Anything over the 9s makes me automatically say to you, get your ass down here and put me to the test and try that. That chicken burger, Randy's signature, breathtaking. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a review.